Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. Welcome to another video of the series The Prophet by Kahlil Gibran's book. And today we'll discuss the next chapter that is about love. So without further ado, let's begin with the video. In this book, The Prophet by Kahlil Gibran, when Al-Mitra asks the Prophet to speak to them about love, he responds with a profound meditation on the nature of love. Here is a summary of what he says in the chapter titled Love. The Prophet begins by acknowledging that love is a vast, complex topic that cannot be fully expressed in words alone. He describes love as a pathway that leads to the unity of individuals and their connection to the divine. He explains that love is both a source of joy and a source of suffering. It can bring immense happiness, but it also has the power to pierce through one's soul and evoke pain. He says, love is like a double-edged sword that cuts through the depth of one's being, revealing both the beauty and vulnerability within. The Prophet then goes on to address different aspects of love. He speaks of love's need for space, freedom, emphasizing that love should not seek to possess or control the other. Instead, it should be a harmonious dance between two individuals who give each other space to grow and flourish. He talks about the importance of solitude within love, highlighting that while love can bind people together, it should not suffocate or consume their individuality. Each person should maintain their sense of self and nourish their own souls even in the presence of deep love. He also speaks of love's power to transform and heal. He describes love as the ability to uplift the wounded spirit, mend broken hearts, and bring solace to those in pain. Love, he suggests, is a force that can bring healing and restoration to both individuals and society as a whole. And he says love is eternal. It exists beyond the physical society's regulations and continues to live on even after the physical body ceases to exist. He believes it is a timeless essence that unites all souls and connects them to the divine source of life. Overall, in this chapter, he conveys a profound understanding of love as a multifaceted and transformative force that guides individuals on a journey of self-discovery, connection, and spiritual growth. That's all for this video. Stay tuned for the next shorts as well. Consider sharing, liking the video, and subscribing the channel too. Thank you.